The headline: Cyber crooks use pending gas bill or the utility bill bait to swindle money. Source of information: The Times of India, Bengaluru edition, dated 24th February 2026. Let us see what happened in this incident and try to understand and analyze from cybersecurity point of view. Cyber criminals are targeting people using fake utility bill messages towards the bill payment which are pending, and they quote related to water, gas, telephone, and maybe some other utilities. So in this case it was for gas bill payment scam. Let us see the sequence of event, what happened and how fraudsters operate. Send WhatsApp or SMS messages to the users claiming a pending gas bill. Threaten immediate disconnection if the payment is not made on time. Provide a phone number or malicious link or APK. Convince victims to install an app or click a link. Gain remote access to the victim's phone. Steal banking details and OTPs. Drain money from the bank accounts. So the real case that is mentioned in this media report is as follows. A bank manager lost around 1.2 lakhs. He received WhatsApp message claiming his gas connection would be disconnected if the payment is not made. He called the number provided out of maybe from phobia or from the scam perspective. The fraudster, posing as a gas company executive, sent an APK file. After installing it and attempting payment, money was debited from his debit and credit cards automatically. Another similar case involved a person losing around 1 lakh through a fake gas connection warning. How the scam works, or what is the pattern? The first one is fake urgency. They will try to create a phobia among the users. Fake urgency. It's called fake urgency. Gas will be disconnected today if the payment is not made. So that is like creating urgency or a sense of urgency among the users. Impersonification of utility company. APK file or remote access link. Victim installs app as instructed by the fraudster out of the fear and anxiety. Fraudsters intercept OTPs and banking credentials. The moment the OTP is shared to the fraudsters, they will ensure somehow that they go to your banking account and they will try to siphon the amount from your account without your knowledge. Then finally money is siphoned off quickly from the user's account. So how can we prevent this? So here are some of the lessons for all of us, from common person, from the end user, as well as from technology point of view. So here there are some prevention tips that are given, and we should understand clearly and try to defend ourselves, not in a panic situation. So let us see what are the do's and don'ts from this article. The do's: verify by calling official numbers from bills or official websites. So we should be regular. We should be a genuine party to seek the information from the right person or from the right platform. So in this case, we should typically call the gas company or the agency number, or send an email or a WhatsApp or some other mechanism. So basically we should connect to the right person on time. And first let us factually check whether this is a really pending case or no. So this is basically the genuinity of the incident. But typically what happens, as a human being, out of emotions, we actually try to act in a different way. Next, so what are the other do's and don'ts? So next do's is download apps only from official app stores and suspect and doubt everything. report suspicious messages to 1930, that is cyber helpline. So we have been telling this to everyone for the last 1 year or for more than a year now. From awareness point of view, we should be having 190 number handy and also the website to raise a complaint in case if you are operating in a panic mode. Do not worry, take deep breath and come back to the reality and take necessary action, not in a panic mode. Then monitor bank statements regularly. So these are some of the best practices or do's. Now let us see what are the don'ts. First one is do not panic. Do not click APK files sent via WhatsApp or SMS. Do not share OTP, PIN, Aadhaar details to anyone. Next, do not trust caller ID blindly. So have that suspicious or start doubting everything. So this is actually part of 360-degree cybersecurity framework. So what is the core message of the article to all of us? Cyber criminals are increasingly using utility bill scams and many other ideas or many other ways, and they will try to put a psychological pressure or a tactic to cheat even educated and financially aware individuals. So we have to realize when it comes to emotions or panic, there is no question of education or the degrees and other things. So we have to be a prudent citizen. Let us think before we click. The fraud is social engineering driven, fast moving, emotion based. This is very important. So this is the key sentence or the takeaway to all of us. So let us not act or react with emotion. Emotion typically it's a combination of fear and urgency. So these are some of the outcomes of this article. Let us be alert, let us be safe. Thank you.